I've always wanted to pop this. You need to cleanse your skin more, buddy. Go, everyone. There's gonna be a pimple explosion. Oh, cool.
Why is everyone so chill? Huh? Oh no, this is a nightmare.
You have a test tomorrow.
A test? Tomorrow? But no one cares. Everyone has fidget toys.
Squishy.
But look at her. Squeeze! I also want to relax. Bubble wrap always works. This sound is so soothing.
My toys are better than yours. See this?
Please have mercy. I'm having a test tomorrow.
No better days for me.
Anyways, see ya. No more wasting time. Gotta prepare for the test. But I'm so stressed. I need to relax. Maybe a fidget toy could help, but I don't have any. Huh? What's this? Well, let's find out. I'm sure Dad wouldn't mind. Wow! Maybe I can make my own fidget toys. Get ready, and we're about to see some magic. Never seen so much shaving cream. So fluffy. Thank you, guys. Next, some color, of course. I'll mix yellow and blue for this. Having a rainbow party here. I'll add some more liquids. Pour all of it, my dear. Don't be shy. Dad will buy new bottles anyway. Now take a whisk. And improvise. Whoa! Next level of color mixing. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Green as the Grinch. Reminds me of snow, though. Let's do a quality check. So stretchy. Whoa! And some spikes to make more fun. A little thrill inside the slime. It looks like a green monster. Here we... Oh! Ouch! Ouch! Huh? A balloon! I have an idea. This is making me feel like a real scientist. A drop of pebble glitter for more festivity. Or just throw it in the whole bottle. And the best part, glittered glue! Careful, don't spill it on the floor. And done! Oh, so squishy! But something's missing. Aha! Got it! I knew this ugly sock would come in handy one day. There! A squeeze ball made by Brittany. So cool! Don't worry, this is not a popping kind. Huh?
Smells awful.
Gotta get... huh? Oh, I wonder what's in there. Real trash or treasure? Let's find out. A compact? Treasure indeed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It reminds me of something. You wait here. This card is not for popping. It's me. Hi, and the problem is me. Come on now. Show us your smile. And your pretty eyes. Isn't that the coolest puppet show you've ever seen? And it's all mine. Oh, you're my best friend now. What else is interesting here? A bucket of paint. Interesting. I summoned your again, treasure bin. Fantastic. Power up the lungs. That should be enough. Can you guess what I'm making? You'll see soon enough. Cover the balloon with a thin coat of pink glue. Nice! But it's not done yet. My favorite, tiny pearls. And glitter, of course. Now, be generous when applying these. There is no such thing as too many pearls and too much glitter. Wow, so beautiful. Here we go. Ready? And squeeze! So satisfying! Oh, yuck! This is worse than zombie apocalypse! Oh, I need to wash my face! Might as well take a shower. Yeah! This sponge is so soft. I have an idea. Cover your eyes, SpongeBob. A sponge donut is here. You want a chocolate or raspberry flavor? Raspberry it is. With sprinkles on top. Looks real and yummy. What was I thinking? Back to scrubbing. fresh and clean. Oh, Huggy Wuggy, there you are. Oh, I missed you so much. Woo!
Whoa! I'm gonna vomit! Oh dear! Goodbye, world! Am I still alive?
My Huggy Wuggy! Ooh, I don't want a dirty Huggy! Oh, it's blue. Aha! Let's make a new and clean one. Just follow the pattern. It's easy. Yeah, like this. Another sponge to the rescue. My granny's sewing lessons will finally pay off. Okay, focus now. You don't want to hurt your fingers. So far, so good. Get it? Okay. Enough with puns. Here is the head and the body. Doesn't look like Huggy yet, but almost. We need a wide and scary smile. Is this wide enough? Yeah, I think so. Getting more recognizable now. Can't do without the signature red lips. And the final touch. Make sure the teeth are spiky and scary. There you are, Huggy Wuggy. Oh, I love you. Mwah. Huh? Who is that? Hello? Hey, the test is tomorrow. Have you prepared? Ah! Thanks for the reminder. Now I'm stressed again. Oh, nothing squishy here. Can't let it happen again. It's squishy emergency. Reminds you of a donut, right? But it's not. How would you prefer your omelette, sir? Sunny side up coming through. Finally something squishy. I have a test tomorrow. Where did I put my notebook? Oh, what a mess. Oh, great. Better stay hydrated, guys. Oh, wait a minute. I know how to make it more fun. Stretch it out like mommy long legs. Googly eyes are always fun.
Oh, hello, friends! Ouch! Careful now!
Whoops! Sorry. Freddy the Straw Squad's ready for the show. Give a little squeeze. Oh, goody! Ooh! It's so cool! Big squeeze! Uh-oh! Maybe I shouldn't wear this to school. Well, or I can add some accessories. Do they match? Yes, perfect colors. Cut them from the tips. This is my favorite part. Oh, you hear that sound? It's so satisfying. There's no limit to bendy straws. Anything can be accessorized. Calling New York, Milan, and Paris. Oh, this is so beautiful. Let's try it on. Oh, so proud of myself. It's getting too late. I'm so excited to go to school tomorrow. It's time for school! Let's go! That's right. I made you look. Are you jealous now?
Don't need this. This is ugly.
Useless. Oh, hi guys.
Oh, they're so cool. Did you make them yourself?
Morning, class. Let's start the test.
Oh my god, how can I forget about the test? Where is that chit shit? Come on! We need some disguise for this. Genius! Now we're ready for the test. Oh, wow, this is cool. What are you doing, Rachel? Doing the test, miss. Okay, carry on. Whoa, safe for the day. Oh my god, that's scary. Oh.
Good morning, students. It's time for a test.
What? Another test? Gotta get some help. My phone. Alright, place the phone here. Draw a line around the phone. Perfect shape. Yay! Ready for the test. Straight A is all I aspire to achieve. Oh.
No notebooks, young lady.
How am I gonna get an A without the cheat sheet? Bye now, phone. Oh, that's an idea. Oh, time to get crafty, people. Come on, work with me, glue.
What's going on over there?
Huh? What is this? My hand! It's stuck!
Everything looks fine. Now where was I?
Oh, that was close. Alright, back to work now. Apply the glue on the phone casing. Stick the color pencil. Great! Time for selfies. Must get the right angle. Okay, smile. He's coming.
Seems a bit strange. It's fine.
He fell for it. Cheat sheet's back on. Okay, right, alright, okay, nice.
What do you think you're doing?
Hi, Mr. J.
This is your last chance.
Wherever. This is your last chance. I need a little refreshment. So fresh. Oh, I have a great idea. We only need a marker and the answer key. Just scribble it on the bottle. Wish I'd know this trick sooner. There you go. Now sit there until I need you.
Man, I'm thirsty. Hey, can I have a sip?
Sure. Help yourself.
Thanks, cola's my favorite.
Let me see that bottle.
But,
Oh, look what we got here.
oh man, how did it get
Kidding,
there?
are you? Detention.
Oh, please!
Oh, finally, break time. Whoa, avalanche! Whoa. Oh, jeez, now I have to tidy up my locker. Alrighty, color paper bags and magnets will sort this out. Stick the paper bag with the magnet. Another one over here. Store the stuff in the bag. Pens and pencils too. Pretty cute, huh? Mary Kondo will be proud of me. Can't wait to see the test
Your
results.
test, Rachel.
Thanks, Mr. J. What? F minus? But how? I'm doomed. Huh. I know just the trick to change it. One stroke here and a small one there. I'm so proud of me.
Give me that.
Whoa! 2 hours of detention? No way! This is too boring. What to do? Pens are boring. I'm so bored. Oh, what a mess. Let's staple them then. Look at these cute paper clips. Oh, Mr. Elephant wants to help. Clip it on. Cute but not pretty enough though. No, still boring. Candace will do the magic. Oh yeah, tiny lollipop. And the glue gun. Spread the glue on the lolly. Now stick the paper clip onto the lolly. Very pretty. Just like a magic. Next, pencils. Let's make them fancy. Hold the pencil like this. Put some hot glue on its blunt end. Make sure to put enough amount. Okay, now stick the cute Candace. Oh, pretty cute stationery. Love it. The last one. Let's make it shiner. Apply the glue again. Oh, now the glitter snow. Pour the glitter onto the glue. Oh, fabulous. How about more colors? Oh, yeah. Fairy godmother of unicorn heaven. This is so pretty. Time to draw. A little smiley hat for you. Huh? Oh, bummer. Where did I put the sharpener? Maybe in my bag? Oh, silly me, of course it is. Well, impress me, Mr. Sharpener. Spin, 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 Sharpie. Amazing! Now let's get back to business. Done! Put some colors! Watercolor paint will work perfectly for my masterpiece. Okay. Oh no, my drawing! What should I do? Oh, I know. Don't worry, just duct tape it around and stick it back to the ring. Cleaning cup goes in the ring. Nice! When you're done with the brush, just dip it to the water. And dry it in a separate cup. I need to start studying for the test. Mom's gonna be happy with this one. Oh, it's geometry. Make a circle. Easy peasy. That doesn't look like a circle. Must be another way to make a circle. Pencil and scissors. Stick the pencil on one hand of the scissors. Tighten it with the tape. Oh, there. Stand the scissors on the paper. And move the paper around till you get a circle. Beautiful circle. Good job, team. Moving on. Oh, not a fan of arithmetic, but maybe hydrate first? I know just a tool. 1 cup. 2 cups. 3 cups. 4 cups. 5 cups. That's cool. I have all the basic operations. Let's do it. Finally, all done. Huh? Can you watch where you're going, Mr. J? Now I have to organize again all this mess. Oh, I know what can help me organize. Bejeweled label printer, yeah. Turn it on. Type the label and print. Here it comes. Labels are ready. And get your binder clips ready too. I can relax now.
Explain that.
Oh no!
Home kids these days.
You think you can stop me? Oh no, you can't. Yeah, the perfect surface for label art. Stay still, will you?
What was that? These kids are always up to something.
That was close. So hot in here. AK doesn't work again. Oh, good idea. Move away, need space for my invention. If the Anderson duct tape can do, stick the other end here. Put it down. You got yourself a paper fan. Nice and breezy, that's better. So boring, nothing to do. Maybe something in my bag can cheer me up. Let's see. A fidget pen? Whoa, so cool. Check it out. Fancy color. Wow, magnet. They don't fall even when you shake it. What else can this do? Alright. Looks like a revolver. What happens if I spin it? Whoa, guys, it levitates. It's a levitating revolver. Whoa! Oopsie. Let's leave him nap for a while. Oh no, I have a test. Whoa! Hey, Pixie. Help me out. Need a holder for my phone. Sure. Cool. Get this hair out of the way. Place the phone casing under the t-shirt. Now put the phone into the casing. Perfect. I'm ready for the test. Is that cosine? Okay. Hang on, Pixie. Just a bit more. Nobody sees this. Quick, before he sees you.
F. Another F. This is what happens if kids play video games too much. Unbelievable. Huh? What's that noise? What's going on there?
It's ticklish. Rachel, hurry up.
Very suspicious.
Oh no.
Is everything all right?
Yeah, almost done.
And you?
Almost done, sir.
Okay. Let me see.
Oh God, please let it be. Hey, please.
Well done. Here's your test.
Oh, really? Yes!
Now you'll see. Hey, Rob!
No! It's not my phone!
Hey,
Makeup!
Leah, I need some chocolate for my party.
Get it yourself.
I'll tell Dad about your boyfriend. Ooh.
Told ya. It's gonna be my party. I'm taking the dog for a walk.
I know he's up to something, that's what he does. He thinks he's smarter than me, that's not a fact. 'Cause I can be tricked, no, I can be fooled, no. Sorry, Rob, no.
Lost the dog? I need a shower.
What?
Someone's home? Found the dog.
My turn.
No, that's for my guests.
Just one, please.
I said no.
Leah!
Rob, have you seen my purse? Found it.
Leah? Rex?
I'm sure she's fine.
What should I wear? Definitely not this one. Why couldn't I have a sister? Uh-huh.
Oh, I think I have the same. Leah, take it off! Ribbon. I'm Leah. I'm pretty. I have a boyfriend. This is my favorite t-shirt.
Hey, it's mine.
No!